Yes guys, welcome to Cocktails. So today we're going to be doing the Coffee Dark and Stormy. So traditionally the Dark and Stormy is dark rum, ginger beer. Today we're going to be adding in tequila and coffee to make it a bit, well, better in my opinion. So we're going to start with tequila. We're going to go with 1 shot or 30 ml of your tequila. And then you want to go in with ginger beer. You want to go most of the way up the glass. Be about 120 ml, 4 ounces. So about 2/3 of the way up the glass. You then want to go with 1 shot of dark rum, so 30 ml. And if you can, layer it on top, maybe using the back of a bar spoon. Just to give it those layers. You then want to go with 2 ounces or 60 ml of coffee. You can go with less if you're not a massive fan of coffee. Again, just want to layer it on the top. And there you have the Coffee Dark and Stormy. Enjoy. Give it a mix together just to get all those layers then combined. Yeah, that's good. You can also use a coffee liqueur instead of the espresso, but for me, that's perfect. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you do want to recreate this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at chef_Hampshire and I'll upload some of them onto my story. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button below, subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.